When you're looking for an external equation, okay guys, what you need to do is this. You need to change them around. You need to switch them and change the sign. So do you understand? Two things. Switch, and number two, change sign. So the actual equation will become something like this, okay? So the first thing you gotta do is whatever one is in your notes, okay? You actually switch it first. So it becomes ax2 minus bx1, and it becomes a minus b on the bottom, and then beside that it becomes ay2 minus by1 all over a minus b. So basically switch their positions, change the sign. Okay, so moving on to this equation here, okay, we have 9, 4 and 3, 1. It divides up into the ratio A is 2, B is 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into our formula, okay? So what we're going to get is bx1. So this is going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. Once again, it doesn't matter which one's which. Let's use our formula for this now, okay? So brackets, we're going to have 2 times x1, which is going to be b is 1, sorry. So it's going to be 1 times x1, so it's going to be 1 times 3, plus a, which is 2, x1 being ax2, so 2 times 9, divided by b plus a, or a plus b, whichever way you want it, so b plus a, b1 plus 2. The next one is by1, which is going to be 1 times y1, which is 1 times 1. Plus a times 2, which is going to be 2 times 4 all over 1 plus 2. Your job is to put each one separately into the calculator and figure out what is its number. And when you put that into your calculator, you will get the point 7, 1. Okay? Now, does it only say internally in this question? Okay, so it's only internally, okay? So that's alright. We can move on to now, because it says internally, you don't have to do the external part of this question, okay? Yeah?
No, I'm just looking at the last question.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, sorry, it's 1 times 1, which is, what's it, by1, isn't it? So b times y1 is, sorry, that's y1. b times y1 is 1 times 1. Then a times, what's it, a times, a times, oh yeah, just give me a second with this, alright? x2, y2. x1, y1. Okay, let's look at your formula. bx1.
1 by.
Okay. b is 1. x1 is 1 times 3. a is 2. x2 is 9. 3 plus 3, that's 21 over 3, which is 7. That's correct. The next one, by1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times a times y2 is 2 times 4, which is 8. So that should be 9 over 3, which makes it 7, 3. Excuse me, right? We're going to try another one now. We'll try number 5, okay? Now number 5, okay guys? Number 5 is 1, 2 is up here. Or 1 minus, sorry. Yeah. It goes this way, and it's minus 3 minus 7, and then it goes to the right and down to 9 minus 19. Okay, and internally there's a point in here that cuts it in the ratio 5 is to 1. The ratio between this point and the point that we don't know is 5, and the other one is 1. Okay? It doesn't mean the length is actually 5, it just means it's 5 times bigger than the other one. Is that alright? 5 times bigger than the other one. So now we put it into our formula, okay? Let's write down all the numbers before we begin. This will stop confusion with which one is which, okay? So A is 5, B is 1, x1 is minus 5, y1, oh sorry, not minus 5, minus 3, minus 3, x2, 9, y1, minus 7, y2, minus 19. Now that you have a list, it should be a lot easier, okay? So what we'll do next is this. bx1 is 1 times minus 3, ax2, 5 times 9. Close your bracket. 1 after that, b plus a, 1 plus 5. That's your left side. Now on the right side we're going to have by1, which is 1 times minus 7, plus ay2, 5 times minus 19. All divided by 1 plus 5. Use your calculator, please. So some people do the red one, some people do the blue one. And what do we get? I think it's 7 on the left. I don't know the one on the right. Anybody know the one on the right? What?
7. On the left.
Okay, I'll try that now. Give me a second. Doing it on the board if anybody's stuck. Minus 17.